Wonders of Nature, written by Cheryl Ryan. Introduction. The world is full of strange and interesting animals. Some animals look unusual or have special abilities. Let's look at some of these wonders of nature. Archerfish. Archerfish spit drops of water at insects and spiders to knock them off leaves and branches near the water. Archerfish have very good aim and can squirt water over long distances. When the bugs fall into the water, the archerfish eat them. Archerfish may also leap all the way out of the water to catch bugs. Trapdoor spider. A trapdoor spider lives in a sticky underground tunnel with a hidden door made of silk and dirt. The silk in the door helps keep water out of the spider's tunnel when it rains. When an insect passes close to the door, the trapdoor spider senses its movements and jumps out to grab it. Beaver. Beavers chew through tree trunks with their sharp teeth. They build large dams in rivers and streams using the tree trunks, branches, mud, clay, and stones. Beavers build their homes, which are called lodges, in the ponds formed by the dams. By creating ponds, beavers change the landscapes of the areas they live in. The wetlands that beavers create with their dams become home to many other animals. Chameleon. Chameleons are lizards that can change color to hide. When the air gets warmer or colder, their skin changes color. They even change color to show how they feel. Chameleons catch insects with their long tongues, which can be twice as long as their bodies. Chameleons can point each of their eyes in a different direction at the same time to help them see all around them. When they spot an insect they want to eat, chameleons focus both of their eyes forward to help them aim their tongues. Flying dragon. Flying dragons are small lizards that can glide through the air from tree to tree. They have folds of skin on the sides of their bodies that open like wings. The wings are brightly colored and have spots and stripes on them. Flying dragons use their sticky tongues to catch and eat insects, mainly ants and termites. Leaf insect. Leaf insects are usually found in the tropical areas of Asia. Their bodies, wings, and legs look like leaves, which allows them to blend in with real leaves on trees. Their eggs look like seeds. The eggs can take more than a year to hatch. Baby leaf insects are red, but when they start eating leaves, they turn green. Leaf rolling weevil. In the summer, the female leaf rolling weevil rolls a leaf into a cone shape. She can take up to 2 hours getting the leaf just right. She lays her eggs inside the cone and then closes the open end. When the leaf falls to the ground in autumn, it carries the eggs with it. The leaf hides and protects the eggs until they hatch. When the larvae hatch, they eat the dead leaf. Praying mantis. The praying mantis often holds its front legs in a praying position. Mantises hide on plants to catch their food. Some mantises are green to blend in with leaves, and some that live in the desert are the color of sand. The praying mantis eats many types of insects, as well as small frogs, lizards, and mice. Praying mantises can even catch and eat small birds, such as hummingbirds. Mole. Moles burrow underground to find and eat earthworms. They also eat beetles, slugs, and snails. A mole digs many connected tunnels, creating a maze. It builds its nest deep in these tunnels. Because its fur points up, a mole can move backward and forward in a tunnel without getting dirt trapped in its coat. Moles have tiny eyes, but they are not blind. Sea dragon. Sea dragons are small fish that are related to seahorses. Their bodies have many parts that look like the stems and leaves of seaweed. They blend in with ocean plants, which helps them catch food and hide from enemies. Sea dragons use small, clear fins on their necks and backs to swim. The female lays eggs on the male sea dragon's tail, and the male carries the eggs until they hatch. Conclusion. Interesting animals come in many shapes and sizes. Their special looks and abilities help them to survive. All these animals are wonders of nature.